Before we get into anything else, I'm giving this away. This Game Boy Color no-cut screen mod I built earlier this year. No shell cutting, modern IPS screen, fully restored. This isn't a sponsored stream, this isn't a promo, it's just a thank you from me to you. So stick around and I'll show you how to get in on it. With this being my last video of the year, I wanted to take a second and say thank you and close out the year the right way. This year's been huge for my channel. More builds, bigger projects, sponsors trusting me, and a community that keeps growing. Whether you've been here since the early mod videos or you just found the channel recently, I really appreciate every view, comment, and share that I get. A lot of these projects takes time, parts, troubleshooting, and sometimes a little bit of luck. And the support you all give makes it totally worth it. We've tackled a lot this year. Console repairs, handheld mods, full restorations, plenty of problem solving along the way. From hacks and mods and repairs to learning how to use tools and test equipment. This channel has really leaned into what I love most, and that's bringing old hardware like this back to life. This Game Boy Color no-cut screen mod was one of my favorite builds this year. Anytime you can modernize an old piece of gear but leave it mostly intact, that is really true and near and dear to my heart. So here's what you came here for. I'm giving away this Game Boy Color with this sweet no-cut LCD screen mod to one person in this video. To enter, be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment on this video. That's it. No forms, no extra steps. And one more thing, if this video hits 1,000 likes, I'm gonna throw in another handheld as a bonus, something from a different project we've done this year. Same rules, just a little extra thank you for closing out the year strong. Looking ahead to next year, I've got a lot planned. More restorations, more handheld mods, deeper troubleshooting, maybe some big multi-part videos where we get into some consoles or emulation, things like that. But I also want to hear from you. What projects do you want to see next year? Drop those ideas in the comments. I do like to build videos based on what you suggest. It lets me know that it's something that's interesting to you guys and keeps things fresh. The giveaway drawing is going to happen on New Year's Day, so keep an eye out for that. I'll post another video with the winner. Thanks again to everyone for being here. I couldn't be happier with where this community is going and what we're doing. So yeah, I really thank you all, and I appreciate you. Good luck. I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. Maybe we'll sprinkle a few more of these in throughout the year. Thanks again for everything. You guys have a happy, safe holiday, and we'll see you next year.